Hello. This is the 5th video explaining about the Entersoft OuroCash system for financial control. And in this video you will learn how to organize the structure of your chart of accounts, or profit center, or cost center. This feature will allow you to sort each type of receipt or payment within a specific category of records, making your subsequent reviews much easier.
Remember that Entersoft OuroCash is available for free evaluation on our website www.entersofty.com.br/n/OuroCash. You can download and try it for free without any commitment. Also write down our addresses on Twitter and Facebook. Topic 14. Organizing your chart of accounts, cost center, and profit center.
With Entersoft OuroCash, you can create a structure to classify each record of your financial control, according to this example. At the moment you are recording each move in the system, you can choose which of these categories you want to frame the movement in question. In addition, the system also displays in graph form a summary of all your movements in a certain period for each category of your chart of accounts. Just select the category, set the desired period, and done. This will allow you to know exactly the origins and destination of your money.
To configure this structure, from the main system screen, click the Settings menu. Then click Cost and Profit Center, integrated with Chart of Accounts. By opening this module for the first time, you will see that there is nothing pre-registered. But do not fret. This is necessary because each company has a different way of working. You will learn how to create your own structure now, and you will see that it is all very easy.
Our recommendation is that you first create the main trunks, and then the other branches. Let's start by creating, for example, the revenues trunk, and then the expenses trunk.
Click on the F2, Include button, and the following screen will be displayed. In the first field, there is only the option root account, because we have not yet created any main trunk or branches. The code field is automatically populated by the system. Just fill in the description field, and click the F4, Save button.
Now, let's repeat the same process to create the trunk of the expenses, remembering to define the first field as root account. See that our structure began to take shape. The next step is to register the branches you want to add to your structure, following the same instructions. The only difference now is that we will select a root trunk during inclusion. See the example. Let's select the revenues trunk, and create the services branch. To save, just press F4, or click the Save button. Now let's create the other branches. While you are saving this information, your structure will be automatically updated. You can create everything your way, in the way that best meets your needs.
Looking at the button bar at the bottom of the screen, you will see that you can print your structure, and access the part where the demonstrative graphics of each trunk or branch are displayed, as mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial. Based on this structure, the system presents, in graph form, a summary of all its movements in a given period, for each existing category. By clicking on the F10 Graphics button, this screen will be displayed, where we can choose the category we want to view, and define the start and end of the calculation period. Then let's click on the Update button and the graphic will be mounted.
In the next video, we will explain why it is necessary to separate its revenues and expenses from accounts payable and accounts receivable control. Do not miss the next videos of this series too. Entersoft OuroCash has many features, and we will study each one of them in the next videos. Help us also in the divulgation of the system. Share this video with your friends and on your social networks. They may be in search of exactly a tool like this. By clicking the like button, you also help us namely whether we are on the right path, and helps YouTube to know that this content has something of value to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to send your message to email@entersofty.com.br. Entersoft, developing solutions.